Morning students. In the last class, 6-7 problems completed. Now problem number 8. Write down problem number 8. 1.1 problem number 8. So very important problem. In that problem, totally 3 sums are there. First, subtract 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. Number 2, minus 13 2 by 13 from 2. Third one, minus 7 from minus 4 by 7. So totally 3 problems are there. We need to subtract everywhere. First one, 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. Second one, minus 32 by 13 from 2. Third one, minus 7 from minus 4 by 7. So see the first one. So subtraction everywhere. First one, 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. Given fractions. First one, given fractions. 3 by 4, 1 by 3. So what to do? Subtract 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. 1 by 3 minus 3 by 4. That is the meaning of 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. But not 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3. So it is 1 by 3 minus 3 by 4. Don't write 3 by 4 first. First write 1 by 3, then 3 by 4. So 1 by 3 minus 3 by 4. Fractions are there. When fractions are there, what we will do? We will take LCM. So LCM of 3, 4. They are consecutive numbers. They are side by side numbers. LCM of 3, 4. They are side by side numbers. Consecutive numbers. For consecutive numbers, their product becomes LCM. 3, 4 are 12. So LCM of 3, 4 equal to 3 into 4 equal to 12. So what is the LCM here? 12. You know what is the procedure in LCM? You know LCM procedure. LCM is 12. See my finger. Here 3. 12. 3 table. How many times? 4 times. 12. 3 table. 4 times. What is the numerator? 1. So 4 into 1. Then 12. 4. 3 times. What is the numerator? 3. 3 into 3. Then 4 1 are 4, 3 3 are 9 by 12. Now let us do subtraction. Minus 5 by 12. Minus 5 by 12. Second one, given fractions. So what are the given fractions? Minus 32 by 13 comma 2. They are the given fractions. 2 means we can write 2 by 1. Now subtract minus 32 by 13 from 2. Then 2. First write 2 but not minus 32 by 13. Start the problem with 2. Minus again minus 32 by 13. Minus 32 by 13. So first write 2 only. Don't write minus 32 by 13. 2 minus bracket minus 32 by 13. Then 2 minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus. Remaining 32 by 13. 32 by 13. Here by 1 write. Then what to do? LCM. LCM of 1, 13 equal to 13. So what is the LCM of 1, 13? 13. Then LCM is 13. 13, 1 table, how many times? 13 times. What is the numerator? 2. It becomes 13 into 2. Then 13, how many times? 1 time. Then what is the numerator? 32. 1 into 32. Then 13 twos are 26 plus 1 into 32, 32 by 13. Now let us add them. 58 by 13. So that is problem number 2. Problem number 3, minus 7 from minus 4 by 7. Again, given fractions. Given fractions. So what are the given fractions? Minus 4 comma minus 4 by 7. So they are the given fractions. Which one we have to write first? Now let us start with the minus 4 by 7, but not with the minus 7. So minus 4 by 7 minus of minus 7. Minus 4 by 7 minus of minus 7. Then minus 4 by 7 minus into minus plus 7 by 1. Minus into minus plus 7 by 1. Then again what to do? LCM. LCM of 7 comma 1 equal to 7. What is the LCM of 7 comma 1? Equal to 7. So let us write 7 as LCM. 7 table how many times? 1 time. What is the numerator? Minus 4. 1 into minus 4 plus 7 1 table 7 times. Then what is the numerator? 7 into 7. 7 times it becomes 7 into 7. 1 into minus 4. Minus 4. 7 7 are 49 by 7. 1 into minus 4 plus 7 7 are 49 by 7. Now let us do subtraction. 45 by 7. So 45 by 7. See the problem again. Everywhere subtraction. Total 3 problems are there. First one 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. Second one minus 32 by 13 from 2. Third one minus 7 from minus 4 by 7. First one given fractions 3 by 4 comma 1 by 3. Now write 1 by 3 first, then 3 by 4. So 1 by 3 minus 3 by 4. LCM of 3 comma 4. They are consecutive numbers. They are side by side numbers. Their product becomes LCM. 3 4s are 12. 12 3 table 4 times. What is the numerator? 1. It becomes 4 into 1. 12 4 table 3 times. What is the numerator? 3. 3 into 3. 4 1s are 4. 3 3s are 9 by 12. Now let us do subtraction. Small number minus big number. We get minus 5 by 12. Second one, given fractions minus 32 by 13, 2 by 1. So what we have to write first? Write 2 first. 2 minus, then second one minus 32 by 13. 2 minus into minus plus 32 by 13. We can write 2 by 1. LCM of 1 comma 13 equal to 13 only. Then LCM here 13 1 table 13 times. What is the numerator? 2. It becomes 13 into 2. 13 table 1 time. It becomes 1 into 32. 13 2s are 26. 1 into 32 32. Now add 58 by 13. Third one given fractions minus 7 comma minus 4 by 7. Which one we have to write first? Minus 4 by 7 only. Minus bracket minus 7. Minus into minus plus 7 by 1. LCM of 7 comma 1 equal to 7. Then 7 how many times? 1 time. What is the numerator? Minus 4. 1 into minus 4. 7 1 how many times? 7 times. What is the numerator? 7. It becomes 7 into 7. 1 into minus 4 plus 7 7 are 49 by 7. Now let us do subtraction. 45 by 7. So there ends the problem. Now Ninth one is problem number 9. Problem number 9 is now 1.1. Problem number 9 is what number should be added to? What number should be added to? Should be added to minus 5 by 8 minus 5 by 8 so as to get minus 3 by 2 question mark. So very important model and very important problem also. What number should be added to minus 5 by 8? So given fraction is minus 5 by 8. We have to add something. Our answer should be minus 3 by 2. What is the meaning of the problem? Given fraction minus 5 by 8. Add something. Our answer should be minus 3 by 2. We need to find out what should be added. What is the number to be added to minus 5 by 8 to get minus 3 by 2? That is the meaning of the problem simply. We don't know what number to be added. Unknown number can be taken as x. Okay na? So what is our assumption? Let the required number be x. Let the number to be added be x. Let the required number be x. What are the given fractions? Minus 5 by 8. Then we have to add something. Our answer should be minus 3 by 2. Okay na? Then what is our assumption? X is the assumption. So let the number to be added. Let the number to be added is x. Let the number to be added is x. So what is our assumption? By adding x to minus 5 by 8, we get to minus 3 by 2. Then, so what is our assumption? Let the number to be added is x. Then implies, so minus 5 by 8, it is the given fraction, minus 5 by 8 plus, what is our assumption? X. X equal to, our answer should be minus 3 by 2. This is the meaning of the problem. We need to find out x value. So x is the number to be added. Then you know the procedure. Transformation you know. Minus 5 by 8, it is moving from left side to right side. It becomes plus 5 by 8. So tick term is moving from LHS to RHS. Automatically sign change you know. So x equal to, so what is there already? Minus 3 by 2. It is no change. Minus 3 by 2 no change. Now it is moving to right side. Minus becomes plus. Plus 5 by 8. Minus becomes plus. It becomes 5 by 8. Then what to do? LCM, because fractions are there. When fractions are there, we will take LCM. So LCM of 2 comma 8. Let us do rough work for LCM. LCM of 2 comma 8. 2 table 1 time 4 times. 2 table 1 time 4 times. Then what is LCM? 2 into 1 into 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Now what is the LCM? 8 only. X equal to, LCM is 8. What is the LCM of 2 comma 4? 2 comma 8. 2 comma 8 LCM is 8. 8 2 table how many times? 4 times. 8 2 table 4 times. What is the numerator? Minus 3. It becomes 4 into minus 3. It becomes 4 into minus 3 plus 8, 8, how many times? 1 time. What is the numerator? 5. 1 into 5. Then x equal to 4 into minus 3, minus 12. 1 5s are 5 by 8. Now let us do subtraction. Minus 7 by 8 is the answer. So by adding minus 7 by 8, minus 7 by 8 to minus 5 by 8, we get minus 3 by 2 as the answer. So what number should be added? Minus 7 by 8 to minus 5 by 8 to get minus 3 by 2. Therefore, we have to add minus 7 by 8 to minus 5 by 8 to get minus 3 by 2. So totally 3 fractions are there in the problem. 2 fractions are given. We need to find out third fraction. First fraction is minus 5 by 8. Second fraction we need to find out. Third fraction is minus 3 by 2. So what is our assumption? Let the required number be x. Let the number to be added is x. So x is the number to be added to get minus 3 by 2. Now tick term is moving to right side. LCM of 2 comma 8. LCM of 2 comma 8 equal 8 only. This is a rough work for LCM. Then LCM of 2 comma 8 equal to 8. 8 2 table 4 times. So LCM is very important. 8 2 table 4 times. What is the numerator? Minus 3. It becomes 4 into minus 3. 8 table 1 time. So it becomes 1 into 5. 4 into minus 3, minus 12. 1 5s are 5. So let us do subtraction. Minus 7 by 8. So second fraction is minus 7 by 8. Therefore, we have to add minus 7 by 8 to minus 5 by 8 to get minus 3 by 2 is the answer. Okay na? So in the next class, we continue the remaining sums. Thank you, students.